Byron, you just came off stage with a polarizing performance. That was incredible. Is there anything you want to say to the boys over here at the Greenwich Economic Forum? And
Great job. It's an amazing event. So Financial Times, congratulations. Greenwich Economic Forum, unbelievable event. Thank you.
thanks for all the supporting people with for the Government Economic Development Commission all the way down. It was a great success. Thanks so much for coming on. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Congratulations on your success too, by the way.
The 2019 Greenwich Economic Forum is brought to you by Bridgewater Associates. Meaningful work, meaningful relationships. Churchill Asset Management, Nuveen, a leading provider of senior and unitranche debt to middle market companies. Ropes & Gray, bright past, brilliant future. Aurora Capital, inspiring partnerships. And Gramercy Funds Management, we are emerging markets. Special considerations to Bank of America, life's better when we're connected. Noah Private Wealth Management, a leading wealth and asset management service provider in China. Guotai Jinan Futures, a leading brokerage firm for commodity futures and financial futures in China. China Industrial Securities, a comprehensive financial group providing full spectrum financial services in Hong Kong. And Titan Advisors, built like a hedge